this discovery puts as the first confirmation of such new class of black holes that exist in the universe. And our challenge was, from this 0.1 second, we have to figure out not only how big these two black holes were, we had to also figure out how fast they were spinning, we had to figure out where in the sky they came from, how far they were, and more importantly, as an astrophysicist, I was interested to answer, how does the universe make black holes so big? Black holes are an excellent laboratory that the universe provides us to advance our understanding of the very fundamental laws that has created the universe. So the fact that we have a peek into the earliest conditions of the universe is truly just, incredible experience.